What's up guys, my name is Quang from the IELTS Workshop and welcome to another episode of the daily vlog. So, as we all know, Vietnam for the most part has been on lockdown for about 3 months now, and it has definitely affected our lives in unimaginable ways. And as the huge fitness enthusiast that I am, COVID has also taken a toll on my workout because no one can go to the gym now. So in this video, I would like to share with you guys a few tips as well as some of my personal favorite exercises to do at home in order to improve our fitness levels. Alright, here we go. So tip number 1, dieting. So scientifically speaking, it's all about calorie in versus calorie out. And calorie in means the amount of food that you eat per day. Like every single thing that you put in your mouth and then digest contains a certain amount of calories, right? And calorie out essentially means the amount of activities that you do. And the more active you are, the more calories that you burn. So in order to lose weight, as most people would want, you should eat less and exercise more, especially during lockdown season. We can't be as active as we normally are. So what you should do is cut down on the amount of food intake. Okay? Also try to eat more meat, more greens, and less carbs. Tip number 2, cardio and HIIT exercises. So cardio is short for cardiovascular, which means that essentially this type of exercise helps you improve your cardiovascular system, and it's not exactly efficient for burning fat. So you might want to think about that the next time you try to break COVID rules and go out in open spaces and run around legs or cycle. Second of all, we have HIIT exercises. I think a lot of people are familiar with names like Ting or Hana Zangai, right? And I think these videos and exercises are actually really good for beginners because it helps you get into fitness, it helps you get into the mindset of working out, right? However, after a few weeks or months, one might notice a plateau in their performance. And the reason for that is that our bodies are smart, and the body finds a way to adapt to your lifestyle. So what you should do if you find yourself in that situation is to add in more sets, more reps, or mix in like more advanced exercises into the whole routine. And with that, we segue into our third tip of today, which is weight exercises. They are easily the most effective way for us to gain muscle and lose fat. So the science behind it is that when we work out, let's say when we bench press, the heavy weights help create micro tears on our muscle fibers. And with enough sleep and enough protein intake, we will then be rewarded with new, stronger, bigger, better muscles. And what's amazing is that this process of repairing damaged muscles actually happens when we're resting. So we are actually burning a lot of calories without even knowing it. And this is what makes it different from just regular cardio or HIIT exercises. Now, for the last part of the video, I would like to share with you guys my personal favorite exercises to do at home during lockdown season. Okay, here we go, let's go.